Being a large country, Germany offers a lot to see. Therefore, I decided to take you around German cities that are said to be worth visiting. Hit the subscribe button to join me and tell me in a comment which city you would like to visit in real life. And today, we are going to visit Düsseldorf, the capital city of North Rhine-Westphalia and an important fashion and art center. Düsseldorf houses the North Rhine-Westphalian art collection, which is divided across 3 locations, the K20, the K21 and the Schmäler House. Besides, art lovers can also visit the Kunsthalle, which is an exhibition hall for contemporary art, as well as countless other art exhibitions and museums. Being an important fashion center, the city offers a lot of shopping possibilities in the modern and urban city center. Germany's busiest upscale shopping street is the Königsallee, or King's Avenue in English. Besides the luxury shopping boutiques along its sides, the Kö is known for its scenic canal along its center. A famous meeting spot is this clock, which besides is probably the most famous clock in Düsseldorf. The avenue stretches 1 kilometer to the Hofgarten in the north of Düsseldorf city center. This large park was laid out in the late 18th century as Germany's first and oldest public garden, and it features countless meadows, streams, ponds, and local wildlife. As Düsseldorf is located on the Rhine River, you can enjoy the city's riverside by walking along the promenade. After the road traffic was redirected underground underneath the walkway in 1993, you are able to stroll around or visit one of the various cafes in peace. Being the capital of the state of North Rhine-Westphalia, Düsseldorf is home to the state's Landtag, or the state parliament. You can visit the administrative complex in downtown Düsseldorf on the promenade. One of the city's most famous landmarks is the Rhine Tower, a 240-meter-high communication tower that contains an observation deck and a revolving restaurant. Here, you can watch the city panorama. Right below the Rhine Tower, you can find the media harbour, including Neuer Zollhof, one of the port's most prominent landmarks. These office buildings were designed by the famous architect Frank O'Gary, featuring different shapes, and also the finish is different for each building. A short walk from the media harbour lies the city beach of Düsseldorf. This place is a popular spot for local people to go swimming or relax on a summer day. If you are interested in Japanese or Asian culture, animes or mangas, you probably should visit Düsseldorf during the Japan Days. Each year, the city hosts the Japan Day, a cultural festival and celebration, the biggest festival of its kind in Europe, organized by the federal state, the city, and the Japanese community in Düsseldorf. But also on other days of the year, you can experience Japanese culture at various Japanese stores and restaurants. If you are interested in Japanese food, you should definitely try onigiri. Those are Japanese rice bowls containing a filling. But regardless whether you like Japanese food or not, you should definitely visit Bakery My Heart, a Japanese bakery in Düsseldorf that offers delicious pastries.